Kevin, what are you giving us? What are you giving away? 2,000 subscribers. We're gonna get into that in just a second. But first, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm looking for a coffee sponsor. I drink coffee every single day. I reached out to Mr. Coffee. They left me on red, so that's unfortunate, but leaves the opportunity wide open. Big day today. Carson stayed up very late till about 2 in the morning doing a 3-stage paint correction on the C63 AMG. So that has been totally prepped. The paint is clean and ready for, I think, 2 layers of Ceramic Pro. I have my assistant with me today. She's gonna be helping out with some filming and such. Tell us what you've been working on here.
Well, the whole front bumper was a little gross. It had, essentially, it looked like polka dots all along here. If you zoom in, you get some flash in there, really nice. You can still see tiny little dots.
Oh yeah.
But you can only see those if you're looking real close.
So this part has been, what, wet sanded but not polished yet?
Yeah, this is all just wet sanded.
Okay, the whole rest of the car, tell us what you did yesterday, Carson.
Yesterday, I spent the entire day, I left here at about 2 in the morning. We started the whole car wet sanded, clay barred, then wet sanded, stage 1 and 2, the whole car, and then stage 3, the hood and the trunk.
Yeah, this hood looks good. Not gonna lie to you. Are you doing ceramic on it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Once we get some better lighting and, are you taking this to Carson Coffee?
That's the plan.
Hey! Mitch is back in the S3, scurrying off. But that's here, so that's cool. Once we get some better lighting and actually take this car outside, maybe tomorrow, we'll get some better footage of the actual shine on the paint. But until then, it's a project underway, but it looks really good so far, so that's pretty exciting. So we got a little DIY spray paint job on the old C63. A couple of chips that were in there from when I think the previous owner was backed into, but we're taking care of that. Carson got the Bondo on it, showing some extreme do-it-yourself skills. Hit it with a little wet sand to polish, and then hit the entire car with a couple layers of ceramic. So nice there.
Yeah.
Little shop update. Where are we at on the hearse?
Working on the first stage of paint correction, 1 out of 3. Paint correction, 3 stages on the hood last night.
Nice.
We're just going down the side with the first stage right now.
Cool.
Big job, about 30 to 40 hours.
Woo! No wipers.
Yeah.
Little wiper delete.
Bold move.
Does he have ceramic on the windshield or Rain-X? Oh, nice. There you go. Some swirls, some scratches, but this is the last stage in the paint correction. This panel right here is completely finished. Heat's off, but the seat warmer is quite obviously staying on. Guys, this is the point in the video I'm sure you are all eager to see, because yes, we are talking about the giveaway for 2,000 subscribers. Earlier this year, we did a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which went really well. It's kind of crazy to say that because it feels like it just happened, but we are closing in on 2,000 subscribers. I think right now we're at about 1945, 1946. It's going up rapidly, which is excellent. No complaints from me, other than the fact I had to kind of rush this process. But last video though, I did explain that we were going to announce the giveaway in this video. So here it is. I'm not going to delay it any further. Thank you guys for watching this far in the video. You see me all the time at M22 Detailing, making cars shiny, making them fast, all that sort of stuff. For this 2,000 subscriber giveaway, I want to extend the opportunity to one of you lucky people out watching this to make your car shiny as well. Last giveaway, it was the Amazon gift card and the hoodie, which was kind of like an open audience. It's to anybody, whatever. Since then, my channel has kind of formed into more of the niche, which is cars. Quite clearly, as you can tell by my recent uploads, that's like what this channel is about. So if you're new to the channel, I do stuff to my Audi S5, my brother's C63, all sorts of cool cars on my channel. So hit subscribe if you're new. Actually, that's one of the requirements to enter the giveaway. So if you haven't already done that, hit that subscribe button and you're one step closer to being a winner. So what am I giving away exactly? I feel like Santa. I should wear a Santa hat. Maybe I'll put that in the thumbnail or something. So like I said, I want to extend the opportunity for one of you to make your car shiny. As you guys know, I do some product reviews, some other videos, whatever. This giveaway, I'm giving away 3 things to one person, and that is going to help them make their car clean. So I'm giving away Adams car shampoo. It's the best of the best. I honestly have never used it myself. I know it's kind of an odd thing that I've never used it myself, but the reason being is it's such a high-end product. I don't really have the need for it. I usually just get like a gallon of Turtle Wax stuff, whatever, like it's good. But the Adams car shampoo is going to be top of the line. Perhaps one day I'll be inspired to use it myself, but for now, I'm just gonna stick with what I got. I am giving it away to one of you. Now next, to the same winner, I'm going to be giving a clay mitt. Clay bars are cool and everything. They're kind of difficult to use. We literally just clayed Carson's entire car, so I understand the process. It's a very important step in the process of decontamination. If you don't know what a clay mitt is, it's essentially a clay bar that you slip over your hand and wash the car with. You run it over your car while it's lubricated with soap, and essentially it will decontaminate the paint, take off any specks of dust, anything that's left after you wash it. Now this will save some time. It decontaminates the paint and preps it for the last step, which is a hybrid ceramic coating. I've done ceramic coating reviews and such on my channel. The hybrid ceramic I'm referring to is the actual product, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic. Now this stuff I have done like 2 reviews on my channel actually, because it's been so great. I use it on my car, I use it on my mom's Wrangler. The results have been great. It's really long lasting, and I'm excited to extend that opportunity to one of you as well, because we're giving it away for free. Ladies and gents, we're giving away the shiny package. Like I said, again, that is the Adams car shampoo, the clay wash mitt, and the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic. So I'm super excited to be participating in this giveaway as much as you are, I'm sure. Now you're probably wondering, how can I get involved? How can I get entered? Because this is such a generous giveaway and I would love to make my car shiny. Well, here's the answer, guys. 3 quick steps. It's not that hard. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel like I hinted before. Follow my Instagram. It'll be right here, S5KevG, and just tag one friend on this picture that I'm uploading same day as this video goes live. Like I said, we are giving away these 3 products on the screen. All you have to do is be a subscriber, go over to my Instagram, hit follow, and then tag one friend on this post, and you're automatically entered. Hopefully this goes well, guys. I'm super excited to be doing another giveaway, and that is pretty much it. So if you made it this far in the video, leave a like for 2K subs. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I could not be doing this giveaway if it weren't for you guys. Enter in the giveaway, tell a friend about it, tell a friend about the channel if you guys like this sort of stuff. Happy early holidays, happy early Merry Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate. I'm just in the giving mood, so that's what we're doing, is the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Guys, like the video, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.